Today's vlog is all about something sweet, juicy, and full of summertime magic. Yes, we went cherry picking. It was such a wholesome family day out, filled with sunshine, laughter. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lifestyle by Sheens. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs, liking my vlogs, and I would love to see the comments. This weekend we have decided to go for the pick your own cherry, and it's a wonderful experience. It is the Sun Valley Farm on Pink Road in Hamilton. The good thing about Sun Valley Farm visiting here is you do not have to pay per person. You can just pick the basket. If you have 50 people, $45 basket. If you're less than 3, 2, or 1, you can pick $25 basket. And then you can pick your own. You can eat free.
This is 60.
We arrived at the farm on a warm, breezy morning. The kind of day that just makes you smile. Rows and rows of cherry trees greeted us, their branches heavy with shiny red jewels. Everyone was excited, baskets in hand, sun hats on, and cameras ready. Now let the picking begin. The trees were just the right height for everyone. Even the little ones could easily grab the low hanging cherries. We gently
These
plucked
are not
the
that big.
ripest
They will grow up.
and darkest cherries, popping a few into our mouths as quality control, of course. They were sweet, juicy, and oh, so refreshing. And we played a little game. Who could find the
Look at
biggest cherry?
this.
Of
So
course, I
beautiful,
won.
mashallah. चलो try करते हैं.
Or maybe when we go in the back, maybe they will find bigger one. ये भी तो देखा तो तेरे को दोबारा से बड़ी
Ready? Try करते हैं.
So good.
आगे चलें?
Cherry picking isn't just an activity, it's a whole experience. It's about connecting with nature, supporting local farms, and making sweet memories with your favorite people. haven't been cherry picking yet this season, definitely give it a try. It's relaxing, delicious, and 100% family approved. And it is the station where you can wash your hands after picking. Thank you for coming along with us today. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite fruit is and you would like to pick up. And see you next time on Lifestyle by Sheens.